Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure passive income with Coinbase, full guide step by step clearly. To start securing passive income with Coinbase, first create a Coinbase account if you don't have one. Visit the official Coinbase website or download the mobile app. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and a strong password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Next, secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your Coinbase account. You can do this by linking your bank account, debit card, or using a wire transfer. After your funds are available, explore the various cryptocurrencies that Coinbase offers. Look for the Earn section on the platform to find options for earning rewards. Coinbase Earn allows you to learn about different cryptocurrencies while earning small amounts as you complete lessons. Select the cryptocurrencies you are interested in and complete the educational tasks. After earning potential rewards, consider staking with supported assets. Staking allows you to lock up your cryptocurrencies to help secure the network and earn rewards over time. To stake, navigate to the staking section in your account. Choose the asset that you want to stake and follow the prompts to begin. Keep track of your staked assets and rewards through your Coinbase dashboard. Consider exploring yield farming options if they are available, although this may require more in-depth cryptocurrency knowledge. Maintain awareness of current market trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. Regularly check your Coinbase account to monitor your earnings. Over time, you'll see how your passive income strategy evolves with compound interest. Patience is key, as building passive income can take time and market fluctuations. Finally, always stay informed about changes in Coinbase policies and the cryptocurrency market to maximize your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.